This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Justin Bickett. Your waterfront Hernando Beach home awaits. Minutes from the Gulf. This gorgeously renovated 2-bed 2-bath home has an open floor plan and lots of natural light. Enjoy relaxing sunsets every evening over the water. Inside, the kitchen has brand new cabinets and quartz countertops with luxury vinyl flooring throughout the home. Recessed LED lighting and all new light fixtures throughout the home, as well. Brand new roof March 2022 and freshly painted inside and out. Freshly laid sod and a brand new sprinkler system in the front with a brand new concrete slab in the back, perfect for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Justin Bickett at 402-598-6568.